Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Titan Quest 2 crashing at startup, not launching, not loading, black screen or lagging error on PC. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to check system requirement. For that, open Steam, type the game and then go below, and here you can find the system requirements for your PC. After that, try to play the game and check if this works. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, go to the library section. Here select your game. As I have not downloaded the game, so I am showing the methods that you can follow easily on the game you are facing issue. So what you need to do is select the game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files, and after that click on verify integrity of game files here. Once the game files is verified, now try to launch the game and check if this works. Next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, again go to Steam, under libraries section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and then click on install files. From here click on browse, and this will take you to the folder where your game has been installed. So here select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, so right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, then click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. If this fixes the issue, then well and good, otherwise simply click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then click on Windows 8 and then tap on apply and OK. Now try to launch the game and check if this solution works. Next solution suggested is to update graphics card. For that, you go to the search bar over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best drivers on your PC and after that see if you can play the game without any error. You can also go through the link that I have provided in the description to update your graphics card. And after that, launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to allow the game through Firewall. For that, go to the search bar over here, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on allow an app or feature. Then click on change settings. Here find if the app or the game is already added. If not, you can add it via going to allow another app. Here browse the folder where the game is installed and add it to the list. After that, select the game from here, make sure both private and public boxes are tick marked and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is resolved. Next solution is to add launch arguments. For that, go to Steam, under library select your game, right click on it, click on properties, under general you can find launch options. Here you need to type -dx11 and after that try to play the game and check if this works. If not, simply type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this works. Or else you can also type -windowed and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. The next is to update Windows. So you should make sure whether Windows is updated to the latest version or simply click on the search bar, go and find check for updates. After that, Windows update interface will open. See here you need to click on check for updates option. If there is any update available, it will update to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works. Next is to overclock CPU and GPU setting. It's a temporary fix that can lower the load and improve the performance of the game. You should overclock your CPU and keep GPU normal. This might slow the process, but it's still suggested to use as it fixes the problem. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. You should also check the graphic settings of the game such as resolution or shadow detail or texture quality. because all these things directly impacts the game. So it's suggested to lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issues and you can play the game smoothly. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, click on the taskbar, click on task manager, then under processes tab find the apps which is of no use or consuming high resources, and after you simply select it, right click on it and click on end task, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if your system has antivirus program installed, kindly disable them and then try to play the game, because many a times antivirus programs stop the game from launching or it shows crashing error. So it's better to disable the antivirus program whatever you have installed in your PC, and after that try to play the game. Hopefully this solution will work. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you need to add the game. So from clicking on add desktop app, you can easily add the game to the list, and after that you should search for the game here. After adding it under GPU preference, it will be selected as let Windows decide. So here you need to click on high performance, and after that try to play the game and check if it's launching or not showing crashing error on PC. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it and install the latest Visual C++ files for your PC and then try to play the game. Hopefully this solution works. If not, after doing all the methods, now it's time to restart your PC. So simply go to the Windows icon over here, then click on power option and select restart. This will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, now try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, the final solution is to reinstall Titan Quest 2 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and from here you can easily uninstall the game. After the game is uninstalled, restart your PC once and again go to Steam and install the game. After you reinstall the game, try to launch and check if this solution works to fix the issue and you can play the game without any problem further. So these are some of the solutions that are suggested to apply if you come across crashing or not launching or any other issue while playing Titan Quest 2 game. So that's all for now. Thank you.